And all I see is a fucking car opening the door. And guess what? But I can't be breathing this air right now. Like, I have asthma and I need to go to the doctor. So I decided to take the exit before my exit.
I thought you left. Shut up. I didn't leave. I just went to that thing.
I'm not gonna think about it. And nobody brought me a key, so I'm just here waiting. First time out of the house all day, and all I'm going to say is it's fucking hot. What the fuck? How was it like almost 60 degrees yesterday, and today it's like 100? Happy Friday. So I'm on my job, and nobody brought me a key, so I'm just here waiting. I'm so tired. So I'm about to close in like 5 minutes. What the fuck? Why did nobody tell me I had some shit on my... Oh, what the audacity of these people? What the fuck? Anyways, closing in 5 minutes. But I really need to use the bathroom, and I know for a fact if I go right now, people are gonna be here and they're gonna be like, haha, I thought you left. Shut up. I didn't leave. I just went to that. And now I'm like, fuck. Should I go pee or not? But I really need to use the bathroom, so I don't know what to do. So it takes me about 10-15 minutes to get home. Usually I'm 28 minutes away. I'm stuck in traffic. So I decided to take the exit before my exit. And I think that would have been a way better idea than come here, because now I'm stuck. GPS is telling me if I turn around, go around it through the highway, then I can get home in like 19-20 minutes. But that's like going around. It's gonna... What? It's good. Like, why am I holding the brake for no reason? Honestly, I don't think it needs to be this cold right now. Like, it's way too fucking cold to be June 4th. Today I'm ready for my legs to burn, to shake, to thrive, to... No, that's scary. Just ready. Cheers. Oh my god. I'm not gonna think about it. Okay, that was good. I almost finished a whole water bottle. Oh my god. What are you asking? I told you guys to have a work meeting. This is the outfit. I don't think it's too much. Some normal tag being out. Levi jeans, cute sneakers, this bunny ankle, and this shirt that goes with the sneakers. But I'm thinking, is it too much? But also it's like, this is who I am. So like, yeah, Driving, so you know this is important because I don't be using my phone while I drive, only when I have to make announcements. But I'm fucking driving. I'm driving home, right, from my stupid meeting, work, blah blah blah, nonsense, literally nonsense. If you're not gonna give me a raise, don't fucking make me. And also, like, I'm so dumb, I forgot to clock out, and now I'm like whatever. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pay for, but like, I don't know. But anyways, I'm walking, right? No, not walking, I'm driving home right now, and I'm about to go, and everybody stopped right now, and all I see is a fucking car opening the door, and guess what? Stupid fucking bitch just throws a fucking bag of garbage. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Can you fucking wait to get home and throw it out? Like, why are you throwing garbage in the middle of the street? Can you everybody stop being so dirty? My makeup looks so fire. I want to record this. So I'm hanging out with Rosie, and then we're like, what the fuck? Why is outside so smoky today? And like, there's like wildfires going on right now. And look at the fucking sky. Yeah. This is not safe. Why is nobody worrying about this? Like, I need to rush right now. I feel dizzy, honestly. Like, I'm so tired. Like, I think I'm gonna get a headache. I don't know. Just thinking about it, like the whole day I was thinking about it. I was like, why is it so smoky out? This is so bad for the earth. And like, me talking about the girl throwing the garbage outside, and now there's smoke everywhere. What the fuck? I can't breathe properly, honestly.
Oh, this is horrible.
I really How close is the fire? Like, Canada is only
6 hours away.
6 hours away. Fire runs like this.
Imagine how like Canada looks right now. It's probably scary.
You can't even see New York right now, but like when I'm we're always. Bro, this is crazy.
Like, I'm hot.
Like, me too, but I can't be breathing this air right now. Like, I have asthma and I need to go to the doctor.
Girl, imagine me. Severe asthma, bitch. I think I need my pump every day.
I'm getting like
a rash.
I'm just being paranoid right now. Like, I can't breathe.
Like, I'm allergic to everything right now.
Like, I can't breathe.